Buddy. A little Geno Smith action here. Pack number 1. Little Nile Davis SPX insert. And we've got Marcus Wheaton. Jumbo jersey autograph numbered 46 of 475. Autograph of Aaron Mellett from Elon. Cordero Patterson, rookie, number 2/899. And we got a Winning Materials duel. Very nice. Dan Marino and John Elway. 222 of 225. Monty Ball Radiance, number 299. Marquise Wilson, die cut. Ooh, very nice. SPX Signatures, Eddie Lacy. Great hit right there. John Elway, SPX insert. And our last pack here, Craig. Finish up with a Zach Ertz rookie, number 2/899. Alright, good stuff. Awesome hit on the Lacy. Craig, I appreciate it, buddy. And I will get all this out to you as soon as I can. Very nice. Okay, guys, again, for pricing and availability on current